Hey, I'm Dan with Preston Hardscape Design, and we're on site today with another episode of Hometown Hardscapes. We're going to take you behind the scenes once again as we design and build another distinctive outdoor living space here in Wisconsin Rapids. So this homeowner already had the slate wiped clean when they called us out. We got a design finalized, and we already got our foundation material set for the new build. So one of the design objectives of this build was access from multiple doors on different levels down to the new outdoor living space. Over in this area, we're going to build a large block and cap step system. This is going to provide great traffic flow in and out of the house to the backyard. So another area on the home that had to access this outdoor living space is raised up to a couple different levels. Once again, we're going to bring block and cap in here and create a step system and a raised paver landing. So a couple elements that the client wanted included in this space was a new hot tub area, a wood-burning fire pit, and some built-in seating. So we got our grand step system built, a real nice entrance going into this patio door. We utilized the Pisa XL block, nice sturdy large block that's going to hold this thing up for the test of time. So we switched up the textures and brought in this Fullnose coping as a cap. And we laid some pavers up on top for a landing. Up inside of here, we probably got about 15 ton of open graded base compacted and built up. We'll screed off our chips and we'll start to lay our pavers on top of here. So down here on the patio level, we've screeded out our chips and we started to lay in our main paver and our border detail. So utilizing some old Quarry Wall block, we shaped out some built-in seating and ended it with some large accent boulders. So this homeowner gave us a clean slate and we provided them with a brand new distinctive outdoor living space. So one of the client's first requests was a grand entrance in and out of this home to access the space and their backyard. Stepping down off the staircase, we then brought in Hollandstone laid in a herringbone pattern to create a walkway inlay through this surface. We used Unilock's Westport paver on either side of the walkway, defining a hot tub space and a fire feature space. So we brought in some sandstone outcropping as a natural accent on this job. We were able to get creative with a couple pieces over here and built some distinctive steps to access the hot tub. So over here we have some more Pisa XL steps with the Fullnose tread. Another element we built out of this block is this raised paver landing or upper patio space. So no outdoor space is complete without a fire feature to gather around. We did so by bringing in this sunset fire pit kit. So bringing in a different tone and texture of block, we used old Quarry Wall as our seat wall and capped it off with a Brussels Fullnose and put some sandstone bookends on it. So thanks for watching another episode of Hometown Hardscapes. We really enjoy putting these spaces together and we love sharing them with you. Feel free to comment or reach out to us on any of our social media outlets if you want to get in touch with us.